Advanced Guide to Afterpay Magento Integration. To integrate Afterpay with Magento, you need to have a basic understanding of both platforms and their functionalities. Afterpay is a payment method that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments, while Magento is an e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create online stores. Step 1: Preparation. Before you start the integration process, ensure that you have a Magento account and an Afterpay merchant account. You also need to install the Afterpay payment extension on your Magento store. This extension can be downloaded from the Magento Marketplace or the Afterpay website. Step 2: Configuration. Once the extension is installed, navigate to the Magento admin panel and configure the Afterpay settings. This includes entering your Afterpay merchant ID, API key, and other relevant details. You also need to set up the payment method and configure the installment plans that you want to offer to your customers. Step 3: Testing. After configuring the Afterpay settings, test the payment method to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by creating a test order and selecting Afterpay as the payment method. If the payment method is working correctly, you should be able to complete the checkout process and receive a confirmation email from Afterpay. Step 4: Customization. To provide a seamless customer experience, you can customize the Afterpay payment method to match your store's branding. This includes adding a custom logo, changing the color scheme, and modifying the payment method's description. You can also customize the installment plans and the payment schedules to suit your business needs. Best practices. To get the most out of the Afterpay Magento integration, follow these best practices. Clearly display the Afterpay payment method on your store's checkout page, and ensure that the installment plans are easy to understand. You should also provide clear instructions on how to use the Afterpay payment method and offer support to customers who may have questions or issues with their payments. Conclusion. Integrating Afterpay with Magento can help you increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily integrate Afterpay with your Magento store and start offering installment plans to your customers. Remember to test the payment method thoroughly and customize it to match your store's branding. With Afterpay, you can provide your customers with a flexible and convenient payment option that can help you stay ahead of the competition.